morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new formula that is called total surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of cylinder. Now let's understand how the formula has been derived, how the formula has been come. So as we know that this is the shape, it's a rectangular shape. And we know the formula of a rectangle. What is the formula of a rectangle? Area of rectangle? Now with the help of this rectangle only, we are going to derive the formula of curved surface area of the cylinder. Now, if this rectangular paper, if I turn the rectangular paper, you can see that I have made a cylindrical shape. A cylindrical shape is been turned by a rectangular paper only. Okay. So from this rectangular shape or from this rectangular area, we are going to find the curved surface area of a cylindrical shape object. Okay. Now as we know that the length of area of rectangle is length into breadth. So we will consider the length as circumference of the circle. This length, whatever we have taken, this is turned and made into a circular shape. So that is why we are taking this, we are calling it as a circumference of a circle. And you can see that there is a breadth. A breadth is converted into a height. So this breadth was there, this breadth was converted into a height. So you can understand by this that this curved surface cylindrical is occupying by the two things, that is circumference of a circle and the breadth is being converted into height. So from this we can understand that if I wanted to find out the area of this curved surface, I have to apply circumference of a circle and the height. So from this you will realize that curved surface area of a cylinder has been, we have taken this as circumference of the base of a circle into height. This is the formula which we have derived by using the length and the breadth of the rectangular shape. Now with the help of this formula, this curved surface area formula, we will also try to understand to find the total surface area of a curved cylinder. Total surface area means what? There is a cylindrical shape plus this cylindrical shape will have two lids, one lid above and other lid below. So what is the thing here is we want the curved surface area plus the area of the one lid and the area of the other lid. So we know that it is a circular shape. So circular shape means it is the area of circle. So area of circle formula is pi r square. So area of circle formula is pi r square. So what we will do? We will take this, that is area of the circular cylinder is plus 2 pi r square. Why 2 we have taken? Because there are how many lids? There are 2 lids. That is why we have taken 2 pi r square. Pi r square is the area of circle. So this is how we have derived the formula that total surface area of cylindrical shape is curved surface area plus area of circle. So that is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. As you can see, this pi and pi are common in both the side and r is also common. So we have taken 2 pi and r outside the circle, and which is uncommon, that is h and r is uncommon, that we have taken inside the bracket. So this is how the formula has been derived for total surface area, that is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. And for curved surface area, the formula has been derived, that is curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Okay, so these are the two formulas required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 cm and height is 20 cm. Now here they are telling us that we have to find the area of a sheet which is metal sheet which is made into a container, a cylindrical container. Now we will be finding the area of this cylindrical container by using the formula which we have learned in the previous class. That is curved surface area plus the surface area of the circle what we are finding in the container. Are you understanding? So with the help of that we will be going to find the area of this container. So how much metal sheet is required? That we don't know. That only we have to find here. So they had given us the diameter. The diameter of this metal box, metal container is given, that is 28 centimeter, and they had also given us the height, that is 20 centimeter. Children, when we have learned the formula, when we have done the formula, in the formula we were not having any diameter. Diameter was not there in the formula, but instead of diameter they were having the radius. So with the help of the diameter, can we find the radius? Yes, we can find the radius. So how to find that radius? What is the formula to find the radius? Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So radius is equal to diameter is given, that is 28 divided by 2. So radius is equal to how much? 28. 14 centimeter. And the height is also given, that is 20. Can I apply the formula and find the area of this lid only, this container only, but not the lid. We are not finding the area of lid, we are finding only the area of this container. So for finding the area of the container, you can see that there is a curved part. Okay, curved part is there, it means we want, what we want when the curved part is given, curved surface area. And plus we also can see that there is a base. One base is given, that is also circular in shape. So if I wanted to find the area of this lid, I have to apply two formula here. One formula, that is area of curved surface area of cylinder, and the other one is area of circle. Okay, so let's apply. Let's write. So first we will find the area of container is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus area of circle. So that is curved surface area is, what is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder? Plus area of circle is? So what is common you can see here? Only pi r is common. So let's not take the common, we will solve it separately. So first we will write 2. Instead of pi we will write 22 upon 7. Instead of r, what is r given here? 14. 14 into h is how much? 20. Plus again 22 upon 7. R is given how much? 14. And that is given twice. So into 40. So 7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 40. Again 7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 40. Let's multiply. 2 into 22 will be 44. Into 2 into 20 will be 40. Then plus 2 into 20 will be 44 into 40. Only 40. So let's multiply 44 into 4. 4 4 are 16. 6 carry 1. 4 4 are 16. 170 plus 44 into 14 is how much? Children, let's multiply. 4 4 are 16. Carry 1. 4 4 are 16. 17. 1 4 are 4. 1 4 are 4. 6. 7 and 4 will be 11. That will be 6 1 6. Now let's add it up. 0 plus 6 will be 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. 7 plus 6 will be 13 and carry 1 and 2. So what is our area? 2376. So the area of a lid, this container, metal container is 2376. Have you understood? Yes. Any doubt is there? No.